Welcome to my World Egg Day kitchen, and in celebration of beautiful Australian eggs, I have a surprise box where I have been challenged to see what I can make with the versatile, glorious eggs that are inside. Okay, what have we got? Oh yes, we've got a box of eggs, no surprise there, look at that. Oh, we've got some chilies, yeah, and some coriander and some rice paper wraps. That's exciting, and some lettuce. Join me in a second when I show you what I can make with them. Right, so I know what I'm making with my beautiful Australian eggs, and I'm going to make an omelette-filled rice paper spring roll that I'm then also going to stuff with cheese and fry in a hot pan so that the cheese is all oozy and gooey and the omelette is all beautiful inside. While I'm making my first omelette, let me just talk about why I love eggs so much. At the moment, while we've all been hit by the cost of living crisis, eggs are incredibly affordable and a great way to get protein into your diet. They also keep really well if you store them properly in the fridge, but more importantly, they're incredibly versatile, which is what I love, because if you've got eggs on hand, it means you can do just about any with them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to make my omelette. I'm going to make 4 of those, and then we're going to wrap them. Okay, there we go. That is our 4th omelette. I'm just going to pop it over here because I'm going to need a slightly cooler one to lift. Now it's time to fill our rice paper wraps. And what I have here are 2 rice paper wraps that I've stacked on top of each other and soaked lightly to get them nice and pliable. 2 is good because it holds all the goodness inside. Then I'm going to take one of my beautiful Australian egg omelettes and I'm going to pop it in the middle like that. And then I'm going to take some of my grated cheese and pop it in the middle. Now, I am always guilty of overfilling these, so I'm going to try not to overfill this one. And then in goes some spring onion, which was also in our surprise box of ingredients. See what I mean? Eggs are so versatile. You can put them with just about any flavours you like, and they just bring them out, work with everything. They're a wonderful ingredient to have in the kitchen. So I'm going to add a little bit, a lot of chilli to this one because I like chilli. And now, hoping it hasn't all stuck to the bench, I'm just going to wrap this baby up. Here we go, roll it all in, look at this. And then take the ends and try and fold your ends over too to hold all the goodness inside. Oh, there we go. Don't be ashamed if it takes a little bit of practice, that's okay too. There we go, look at that. This is our omelette-filled spring roll, but we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're gonna take this guy and then we're gonna roll him in some sesame seeds. And then, once we've done that, I'm going to clear my pan of my other lovely omelette. I'm going to pop that back into the pan to toast off those sesame seeds and make the outside nice and crispy. Join me again in a sec. All right, here we go. Let's get our last 2 out of the pan. 1, 2. I've got another 2 that I've already done here, stuffed with omelette and cheese and all deliciousness. And I've just served them on some oak leaf lettuce with some chili sauce. So let me put this one over there with its brothers. And then here, this one here is for me to cut open. Are you ready? Let's have a look at the inside. Oh, I hope it looks the way I want it to look. 1, 2, 3. Oh, goodness, quick, look at that omelette-y, cheesy, chivy, chili goodness. Now come up here. This is why eggs are such a great dish. Happy World Egg Day. They are so versatile. That was 5 ingredients and dinner done in less than 20 minutes. I love this. All right, I'm going to have a really hot bite. Are you ready? Oh, wait, need some chili sauce. Chili sauce. Drizzle that on. Here we go. Oh, hot cheese and hot egg. So good. I will see you next time.